I think the major challenge that we face as an industry is to look at the changing nature of what value means on an insurance claim. At the moment, we seem to purely look in financial terms, and what a lot of corporate companies now look at is the triple bottom line. That incorporates the financial, obviously, but also the social and environmental aspects of what value are we receiving from a process and what value are we providing. And for insurance claims and insurers at large, they have ESG values, they have well-documented corporate social responsibility, and ESG is part of that. And what I think we need to see in our industry is that lift off the paper and become a lived value. Be something that we're looking at the coalface on every claim of what can we do to improve the environmental impact. So, for example, when insurers deliver a report every year, most of them will do this. It's something that's newer over the last few years, as far as I'm aware, that they will have a sustainability impact report. Now, that will go through what have they done in terms of their fleets, what will that do in terms of their offices and their property that they own, what will that do in terms of their energy usage, and the small changes that can be made there. And whilst not to throw the baby out of the bathwater, those are all very good things. Those are all noble things, and they obviously have an impact, especially for a business as big as an insurer is, and the amount of people they employ. However, when you get to the bottom of the report and look at what have contractors done, what have they contributed on every claim that they've been involved in the property market, it's a small footnote that says data not available. It's something that says we don't have that and we aren't looking at that and including that. And for me, that is the biggest carbon impactor on what an insurer does and what we're doing as an industry. So we've got to be able to look at that and understand what is the impact on a claim by claim basis. And it needs that conversation to start happening. And there really needs to be a two-way street in us offering what we can do as an industry, but also insurers wanting us to give them those solutions, to give them the options so they can make the best choices, not only from a financial perspective, but environmental and social perspective too.